Taste and see that the Lord is good. Amen. Since I came back from India, only one Sunday I came here, and that Sunday it was very unusual in way in which the Lord led me to Him, because I was sitting there worried about so many things, and Andre was here. He picked that up. I mean, of course, the Lord revealed to him and said a word that the Lord is speaking to you. Why are you bothered? Everything is taken care of. I exactly don't remember, but that's what I perceived. That was one of the word. And thereafter, when Pastor came over, he was ministering to us and then said so many blessings were released. In that thing, Pastor was saying that people will be promoted. Some band 5 will become band 6s and all things like that. And I was like, oh, that is not at all for me. Come on. But yet I received the word. But more than that, what I understood, that there has to be someone who can speak words over us. That's how God created everything. Okay, I went home. I was happy. I met everybody. And then one of the moment I was sharing things with sister, saying that I'm going through some struggles, going through some financial struggles. Please pray for me. So I was, my problems would have been solved if I got some money, right, from somewhere. So my thought was only this much. Okay, I need this much money and this is not happening. So when I pray, maybe miracle money is going to come into my account. Yet I believed nothing is impossible with the Lord, and I went ahead. So, and there was an interview coming up, which I was like, do I need to attend it or not? I was not sure about it. And then that day, when Ashley sister sent me the word that pray, everything is taken care of, I was praying to the Lord, Lord, what is the solution for my problem? And then dots connected, because I heard Jason told me that it is time to come out of the box. And then I am listening the words released by Pastor that the Lord is releasing blessing. And then there is a solution. So what is the solution? I said, it's time to come out of the box. I attended the interview, and then I got a job as a band 6 nurse. Only that the city is different. But I give God all the glory, because I know when I asked only for a temporary solution, God gave me a permanent solution. So that is an upgrade. Definitely, even there will be a pay upgrade. So my things are taken care of. So I believe that the Lord has opened ways and He will still make me walk through. And this is a group where intercessors are there, destiny helpers are there. Definitely coming to here, it is a turning point in my life, and I want to thank each and every Lord.